60 divided by 5 times 7 minus 5. I already know what answer you're about to give me, and I already know you're wrong. Here's what you did. Parentheses first. 7 minus 5 is 2. Good. Then you saw 5 times 2 and thought that goes together. 5 times 2 is 10. 60 divided by 10 is 6. Your answer is 6. Nope. Here's the thing. That 5 next to the parentheses isn't special. It's just multiplication. And multiplication has the same priority as division, so you go left to right. 60 divided by 5 first, that's 12. Then 12 times 2 equals 24. The answer is 24, not 6, 24. People treat numbers next to parentheses like they're married. They're not. The 5 in the parentheses are just multiplication, nothing more, same priority as the division sign. This problem fools engineers, teachers, even math majors. If it got you too, welcome to the club. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll keep showing you how math tricks even the smartest people.